Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube if it is lagging, buffering, or videos are not playing properly. Let's get started. First, if you have the YouTube app open on your iPhone or Android, completely close it. Also, close any other apps running in the background. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for YouTube and check if there is an update available. If you see an update button, tap it and let YouTube update. If there's no update available, that's okay. On an iPhone, the next thing you can do is clear some temporary data by offloading the YouTube app. Open Settings, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find and select YouTube. And here just tap Offload app, wait a few seconds, and then tap the Install app. This removes the app while keeping its document and data, and it can help fix temporary app problems. If YouTube is still buffering or lagging, the next thing you can check is your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for speed test. Run a speed test and check your connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause YouTube videos to constantly buffer. You can also check if YouTube itself is having an outage. Search for is YouTube down? You can use a service such as Down Detector or to check for a sudden spike in reported YouTube problems. If there's a large outage, the problem may be on YouTube's side, so you will need to wait until the service is working normally again. If everything looks fine but YouTube is still buffering, try switching your internet connection. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and turn Wi-Fi off and try using your cellular data instead. And if YouTube works normally on cellular data, your Wi-Fi connection may be the problem. Finally, if nothing else works, restart your phone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn your phone back on and try YouTube again. Hopefully one of the solutions fixes the lagging or buffering problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.